Every day morning, I used to go through multiple websites, YouTube channel, trying to find out what's going on in the AI ecosystem, what's new in Salesforce, what's going on in the Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini. And now, I just need to review only one Slack message. Claude prepared everything for me and put that as a message inside my Slack channel. So here is the actual problem. You work on multiple platforms, Salesforce, Agentforce, Google Cloud, ChatGPT, Claude, and they keep on providing updates every week. Keeping up means going through multiple websites to find out what's going on and to keep you updated. And if you skip a single day, you are literally falling behind. Anthropic shipped Claude Routine on April 14, 2026. I immediately mapped my daily briefing habit into a Claude routine. A routine that runs every day morning at 7 a.m., even before I wake up. It searches the web for updates across all key topics, formats them into a clean digest, and posts it inside Slack before I even open my laptop. By end of this video, you'll get the exact prompt which I'm using inside Claude Routine. And then you can use that and run it for yourself. Hey, this is Sudipta from Technical Potpourri. I cover Claude, Salesforce, Google Cloud, and MCP, the exact topics my routine briefs me on every morning. So let's build it. Quick context before we build. A Claude routine is a saved Claude code automation. So you write the prompt, you attach the connectors, which are basically the MCP servers, you define your triggering point and the time, and then your routine will run on Anthropic Cloud. For a daily briefing, the key connector is a web search. That's what led Claude to go out and search in the web for all the trending news on that particular topic. No APIs to manage, no RSS feed to add up. You just basically tell Claude what to search and how to format the result. The prompt is everything. So let's understand the prompt first. Here is the exact briefing prompt I run every morning. I'll walk you through each section so you understand what every line is doing and how to customize it for your own purpose. The first block defines the agent's job. I tell Claude that you are a daily briefing agent. Your job is to search the web for today's most important updates across 5 specific topic areas. Notice the way I'm defining the topic. I'm not telling random AI news. Rather, I'm giving the very specific AI topic information. I'm telling I want my briefing agent to go and do the research and give me the information back on this topic. Salesforce, Agentforce, Google Cloud, Claude, Anthropic, MCP, and open source LLM. In the second block on the search strategy, I'm telling for each topic, run 1 or 2 web searches using today's date. Prioritize official sources, for example, product blogs, release note, any GitHub. Now comes output format. This is where I'm telling Claude exactly how to format the output. I want one section per topic, a header, 3 to 5 bullet points, under each bullet point what happened and why it matters to a developer, and then the constant. No marketing language, no press release tone. Total message length should be under 600 words. And then comes the delivery instruction. I want Claude to post the message in a Slack channel called Morning Briefing. This is the header that I want in the message. So this is a prompt which I use on a daily basis. And now I'm going to automate this prompt inside a Claude routine. So let's do that. So here I am inside my Claude code. The URL is claude.ai/code. And once you go there, inside that, you'll find an option called routine. So if you click on here, this is a place where I'll be creating my own routine. There are a couple of templates which you can use to start. But for this demo, I'm going to create with a new one. So I'm going to click on this create routine. Here I am going to put, this is a daily brief. And inside this, I'm going to put the prompt. So here is the entire prompt. I'm going to run that daily at 7 a.m. So that's the triggering point when this routine will run. And from the connectors, I don't need Gmail, I don't need Google Calendar, Google Drive, I don't need Salesforce, but I need Slack. Because I told that when this will run, it will gather all the information and put the message inside my Slack channel morning briefing. So it's very simple. You literally come to routine, click on new, give a name, put your prompt here, and then you choose a connector which you want and click on create. So now your daily briefing routine is ready. And it will run tomorrow at 7 a.m. But you can run that now. To run that now on an ad hoc basis, all you need to do, you need to click on run now. The moment you do that, you will find there is execution entry came. So you click on that and it will tell that Claude started running this particular prompt on your behalf, and very soon it will gather all the information on this particular topic, consolidate a message and post that inside my Slack channel. So let's wait for that. Okay, looks like it got the channel. This is the channel ID. It's composing and posting the briefing now. So this is a send message to Slack and the briefing is posted under this channel. So now let's bring my Slack channel and see how it looks like. So here I am inside my morning briefing and you can see this is the daily briefing. So Salesforce and Agentforce, Google Cloud and Gemini, Claude and Anthropic, MCP ecosystem, Gemma and open source LLM. So these are the topic, right? So now what happened? I created a daily routine. I give the instruction inside the daily routine. I attach the Slack connector and then I scheduled it at 7 a.m. every day. So what will happen 7 a.m. every day? This will run. This will give me all the information that is happening around these key topics and provide me a consolidated message even before I start my day. So I don't need to go through all the different pages, all the different website, YouTube videos, release note to find out what's going on. Claude is doing everything on my behalf. And this is what the Claude routine is all about. And that's why I'm so excited about this Claude routine. I've already automated a good portion of my daily activity using Claude routine. I put the instruction inside Claude routine, let it schedule to run at a particular time, and then when I start my job, I have all the information right inside my Slack channel. So that's awesome. There are 3 key points. Number 1 is a web search. Without web search, Claude will not be able to do the search and gather all the information. And number 2, name your topics precisely. Don't give some broad name like AI topics or AI news or LLM news and all this thing. Make your topic very specific. That will help Claude to really focus on the area from where you need the information. And number 3, test your prompt manually. Modify it. Make sure it's doing exactly what you want it to do. And if you're satisfied, then only put that inside Claude routine. So you can copy the prompt from the description of this video and tweak it based on your topic and just try it. And if you're satisfied, then create the routine the way I showed you in this video. And if you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Technical Potpourri. I'll be publishing more videos covering different use cases where Claude routine can be used. So please don't forget to click on the bell icon because when I'll publish videos, I want you to be notified first. Drop a comment like what topic you want to add to your morning briefing. I'll see you all in my next video.